Anthuriums are native to the rainforests of Central and South America. Nicknamed the Flamingo Flower or painter's palette, they're prized for their glossy, heart-shaped leaves and vibrant, waxy blooms. But here's something most people don't realize. What you think is a flower is actually a modified leaf called a spathe. The real flowers? They're tiny dots clustered on the yellow spike in the center, called the spadix. Think bright but shy. Anthuriums love bright, indirect sunlight. Direct sun scorches their leaves. Place them near a window with filtered light, or even better, behind a sheer curtain. A simple test. If you can read a book without straining your eyes, the light is perfect. Overwatering is the silent killer of Anthuriums. Water only when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feels dry. And always, always use a pot with drainage holes. Think of it like this. They hate wet feet, just like we hate soggy socks. Imagine living in a cozy, damp rainforest. That's the life Anthuriums want. Use a chunky, well-draining mix. Think orchid bark, peat moss, and perlite. And keep humidity levels high, around 60 to 80%. A simple pebble tray or a humidifier works wonders. Here's a hidden key. Feed your Anthurium with a high phosphorus fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks during spring and summer. Phosphorus fuels blooming. Look for a fertilizer where the middle number, like 10, 30, 20, is the highest. Less nitrogen, more phosphorus, and you'll see the difference fast. Cutting off dead leaves and spent flowers signals your plant to focus energy on new blooms. And don't forget to repot every 2 to 3 years to refresh the soil and give roots room to grow. No flowers? Here's a quick checklist. Too little light? Move it closer to a bright window. Overwatering? Let the soil dry out. Wrong fertilizer? Switch to a bloom booster. Low humidity? Mist, or add a pebble tray. Rotate your plant every week to ensure even growth. Talk to your plants. Studies show vibrations from talking can stimulate growth. And remember, a happy Anthurium can bloom for up to 10 months a year. So now you know the secrets aren't complicated. Just a little extra care, a little attention to detail, and your Anthurium can become the tropical showstopper of your home. Which plant would you like to see bloom indoors next? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant care secrets.